Okay, good morning, students. Today we are going to deal the topic shaping characteristics for e-commerce environment. Okay, this is a very important topic where, as we know, that in the earlier lectures we have started, we have learned that the importance of internet is very much necessary, and with the help of internet today we are dealing most of the activities of a human resource and how it helps in developing the economy of the nation as well as the entire world. Okay, and how it helps us in connecting the entire world in a global village. Okay, and generates one order economy, that is world order economy. Okay, that is how we are going to deal with that, which do have their own importances, significances, as well as drawbacks also, where we are going to deal with one world order. In this one world order, the significance and performance of internet is very much necessary. Okay, and okay, so in this, what is being done in this, there are various drawbacks as well as benefits too. So in this one world order, which is only being which is only being succeeded when we are going to give the importance to the internet. Okay, and without the use of internet we are not going to increase this one world order attitudes or things. In this, what we are going to deal with, where the nation, where what we are going to do, we are going to deal with the globalization of the entire world, and with the help of that globalization, the organizations are, the countries' economy are being connected with each other, and the organizations, we can say that most of the activities, information system is also being connected, which helps in making it a global village. But the drawbacks are what? The drawbacks are that the nation who is very much advanced in this internet technology, they are going to dominate their supremacy, and the other nations who are very much lag behind these internet technology, they are just mere the followers of those nations. Okay, so if it do have its benefits, then on the other hand it do have its serious serious drawbacks also. Okay, if those nations who are very much sound enough in technology, say for example China, if they are going to dominate in the internet technology, then what they are going to do, they are going to start their dominance, their own pressures in other nations, and try to make their things possible while dealing with the other nation. Okay, so in this, what we have to study about the characteristics, that what are those characteristics, what are those things which are being used to develop this particular, we can say that, internet, so that the strategies would be made on the basis of which how we are going to shape characteristics of e-commerce. Okay, so here we can say that the proper management requires complete information relating to a problem or issue in a real time in order to make effective decisions. The proper collection, handling, and providing the right information to the right managers is in right time not only reduce the risk of wrong decisions but also work as an effective controlling techniques. Complexities involved in business and economic activities and voluminous government regulations create the need for supply of right information to the right manager to the right time. Okay, and we can also say that information system or the e-commerce part is also being defined as a formal method of making available to management accurate and timely information necessary to facilitate the decision making process and enable the organization's planning, control, and operational on the past, present, and projected future, and on relevant events inside and outside the organizations. Okay, so while shaping these things, what are those things which are very much necessary in the e-commerce part? Those are, number one, transaction processing and inquiry response. Exactly, this is very first characteristics where we have to deal with the transaction processing, that how the transactions are being done, what is the structure of transaction, how the transaction processing is being dealt, as well as the inquiry response, where are we dealing with the inquiry part and how we are responding with the inquiry part. The other important point which is being related to that is information management for operational planning, decision making, and control. This is a very important point which is related to management information for operational planning, decision making, and control, which helps to deal with the e-commerce part. Okay, the other one is what? Management information for tactical planning and decision making. Exactly, this with the various important function or part of e-commerce is also being related with the management information for tactical planning and decision making. Fourth important point which is being related with that, and a very important thing which is helps in shaping characteristics of e-commerce, that is management information system for strategic planning and policy planning and decision making, where three things are being done, where strategic planning is being done, with the help of that policy planning is being done, and the decisions are being taken. Okay, as we know that an organization's information system must provide the various types of information required by managers at the various levels of organizational hierarchy with different levels of operational responsibilities, operational control, management control, and strategic planning. The number of computer-based information systems in private and public sector organizations has grown exponentially during the past 2 decades. To build computer-based information system or e-commerce, a new products and service industry has developed to supply the necessary tools. While a large number of people are employed to design and operate information systems, many more individuals are involved as users or consumers of information system. Users include individuals from a broad spectrum of occupations, ranging from workers systems, okay, ranging from workers in a factory to the top management of a corporation. Use of an information system in e-commerce includes the receipt of a report, the submission of input for a system, and the operation of a terminal or a similar activity. Most individuals encounter these systems in other activities in addition to work experience with e-commerce systems. Credit and users of a bank travelers making reservations, and many other comfort computer based systems directly or indirectly leads or helps in shaping the e-commerce environment. Okay, so it helps in the shaping of the e-commerce environment. In today's complex society, a knowledge of computer based information system relevant with e-commerce is vital for an educated individual, particularly for the professional managers. It has been estimated that 1/3 and half of the gross national income of the United States is currently attributed to the production and distribution of information. This point should be considered very important point. This trend is a departure from a traditional economy based on the production and distribution of tangible goods. This clearly shows that we are entering an information age, that this e-commerce is leading towards information age. For most organizations in the future, if not already, the determining factors is competition. In competition will be the processing and analyzing of information. Okay, so this is a very important point which helps that how we are going to shape the entire characteristics of e-commerce environment. Okay, thank you to all of you.